Olympic lifter that came in with left shoulder problems, left shoulder tightness. We went through everything, worked on everything, did a lot with his left shoulder. So I'm going to have him show you his snatch technique the way it was before we worked on it. So go ahead and show what it was like before you came in. And you can see how his overhead mobility, getting the stick back behind, not so great. Now show us what it is now. So after one visit, now he's dropped fully back, better squat, better technique. So now here's the key. The verbal cues that I gave him to do this were none. I did not change his technique verbally. I didn't tell him to change it. I didn't give him any coaching. It changed itself. So tell us what you said when you came in today about your technique.
It kind of self-corrected in an interesting way. It was like, so from here to here, it feels way more stable, and then the bottom position also feels much more stable than when it's here and I'm kind of fighting to stay straight up. So.
Okay. So my job is not to coach him. My job is not to change his technique. My job is to maximize his neuromuscular function. And once that happens, then his body is allowed to do what it's supposed to do without coaching. So it basically, like he said, corrects itself.